Welcome to this week's edition of Cardiovascular Updates, covering the latest breakthroughs. Brought to you by LucidQuest, we begin with pivotal cohort studies in cardiac prevention. The Framingham and Bogalusa studies have been instrumental in identifying major cardiovascular risk factors. These landmark findings linked childhood and adult health, shaping prevention strategies for decades. Future research will explore wearables, deep phenotyping, and health equity to advance prevention further. In global diabetes care, the SURPASS-CVOT trial, involving over 13,000 patients, revealed that Mounjaro outperforms Trulicity in reducing cardiovascular events by 8%, lowering all-cause mortality by 16%, and slowing kidney function decline. It also achieved greater reductions in both A1C and weight loss. Artificial intelligence is taking a leading role in diagnostics. The EchoNext AI system scans ECGs to detect hidden structural heart disease earlier, trained on more than 1.2 million ECGs. It doubled detection rates for first-time echocardiograms and surpassed cardiologists' accuracy, 77% versus 64%. In stroke research, a new experimental drug, acidified disodium malonate, reduced brain damage by SI% in preclinical mouse models when given during clot removal. By targeting harmful free radicals after blood flow restoration, it could have broader applications in heart attack and transplant care. In the medtech space, Ultromics has secured $55 million to expand its AI-driven EchoGo ultrasound analysis platform, which detects heart failure with preserved ejection fraction and cardiac amyloidosis with high sensitivity and specificity. A preclinical study has found that a modified NCX1 protein helps preserve calcium balance during a heart attack. Mice with this modification suffered less damage and recovered better, pointing to a new potential treatment pathway. The American Heart Association is calling for expanded cardiovascular disease prevention beyond clinical settings, highlighting the value of community, faith-based school and workplace programs with strategies tailored to local needs. In surgical innovation, the first ever intercontinental robotic cardiac surgery was performed between France and India, spanning over 4,000 miles to close an atrial septal defect. This milestone could expand access to advanced cardiac procedures in underserved areas. Another milestone is a sutureless aortic valve has been implanted for the first time in a robotic-assisted transcervical procedure, aiming to reduce pain and shorten hospital stays. Telemedicine is transforming stroke care in Western Australia. Since 2021, the 24/7 telestroke service has supported more than 3.4 thousand consultations, linking regional hospitals to specialists and improving survival and recovery in time-critical cases. Finally, the American Heart Association's review of evidence-based behavioral interventions emphasizes delivering prevention strategies in non-clinical settings, focusing on cultural adaptation, stakeholder engagement, and equity-driven research. Stay ahead in cardiovascular research. Like, share, and subscribe for weekly updates. Visit lqventures.com or email us at info@lqventures.com for expert healthcare consulting. See you next time.